This is my 1972 Underwood 450. It's basically the same as the Montgomery Ward Escort 66 that I just made a video of. But they're both Olivetti's, or Olivetti design. This is one, I got it off of eBay fairly cheaply. Didn't have the case, but it works pretty well. Not too bad. There were a couple of sticking keys when I first got it. It is basically the same as the Escort 66, except this is a pica machine. So I won't go into the details too much, tabulator, margin release. The biggest difference between the two machines is this one is a black and white color scheme, and that one is a brown and white color scheme. Both are, I think, a very nice looking color scheme. This one has black keys, pretty cool. Does not have a 1 key. You have to use the lowercase L. Again, I explained that on the Escort 66 video. Same control layout and everything. I'm pretty sure this is basically the same, although I am just noticing now, this scale only goes up to 90, or not even 90, but this is a pica machine. This machine is missing the rubber grommets that hold the cover in place. There's these metal pins that hold it in place. Other than that, it's a complete machine. As I said, it doesn't have the case, but it works very well. These are pretty nice looking machines. I just, as I said, not a big fan of this era, but this is these Olivetti products from this point, especially the Underwood 450 and the Escort 66, are good looking machines. They're nice machines to use. I'll just skip right to a typing test. The one thing I've noticed on this machine is that it does rattle a bit. I haven't really adjusted anything yet, so it does rattle a bit as you're typing, but it's not too bad. Types fairly well. So that's pretty much it for the video. This one's a pretty short one because it's basically the same as the Escort 66, but I just thought I'd show it just to show some of the differences. But a good design, nice typewriter. That's the 1972 Underwood 450.